Welcome back to another video, everybody. This is the update you all have been waiting for after the prediction of the dump to the downside that we just experienced in my previous video. We were up here before this happened, and I was calling for this way back in here. I was long up to 105K if you watched my previous videos, and I said we were flipping short up here for this exact move. This trend line was bound to get broken. We needed a liquidity sweep. We got that liquidity sweep. I'm about to update you on where I'm seeing price going next, so stay tuned to this whole damn video. Watch the thing all the way through. Definitely like this video if I saved your ass from getting liquidated the other day, and subscribe to the channel if you're not already for daily Bitcoin updates. If you want to learn how I trade, I use Elliott wave theory. I use advanced Elliott wave concepts. That is my edge. No one's willing to learn this shit, and that's why it's so amazing. It is the best way to trade if you want to learn how I trade. Pin in the first comment down below is the free Discord, and it's the free course. I put together an Elliott wave course for you guys if you want to take that shit. It's over in the Learn channel on the Discord right here. Free Elliott wave trading course. Just click it, and it's a 3-hour boot camp on exactly how I trade. Let's get into this analysis. Hope you all did not get smoked on this freaking whipsaw action that we experienced over on Bitcoin. As you know, in my previous video, I was short on Ethereum. And Ethereum did a little dump and didn't really do much after that. Bitcoin was where the dump was at. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? Didn't catch the short on Bitcoin. Didn't look right, but I was short Ethereum. Here we are, short again. Can you blame me? Can you blame me? I'm going to show you why we are short over on Blowfin. Bitcoin looks good to short as well. Bitcoin looks good to short as well. There's a new promotion for Blowfin. We'll go over that later. Anyways, the structure that I mapped out here on Bitcoin in my previous video there was a flat correction for more upside, and guys, it looks pretty damn good. We hit the 1618 fib extension of this flat. In Elliott wave terms, a flat is just a correction down, a correction up that breaks the high. Closed out of our entire long at 103.2. That's where we closed out of our entire Bitcoin long from down here. And was trying to catch a short, but nothing really looked good. I thought I was going to go for one more little high. Didn't. And then we just dumped down to the 1618. Instant recovery, which if you caught that shit, hey, good on you. Leave a comment down below if you caught a long up here. I want to know who caught a long, and I also want to know who got absolutely liquidated. Leave a comment down below. Do not be ashamed. This move was very quick. This recovery was even quicker, right? My alerts went off by the time I checked the chart. We were already all the way up here. I'm like, oh shit, I can't even do anything now. And I think that's where mostly everybody was. If I was looking at the chart and saw the 1618 get tagged and a recovery, I would have tried to hop in a quick long right here. It just happened so quick, guys, so quick. But it's on to the next trade, on to the next movement. And I have something cooking up on the BTC chart that I cannot wait to share with you guys. So before we go over that, Blowfin is no KYC. It's in the United States and Canada. They have a brand new promotion for Chart Junkies community right here. Pause the screen, read it. It's right there. You will get 1,500 USDT airdropped into your account, a free $1,500 when you sign up using the link pinned in the first comment down below. All you got to do is meet the trading volume requirements, $6 million in trading volume for the promotion period here. And that's easy to do when we're trading leverage, right? I do that shit daily. So get in there, join now, get your free $1,500. Pin in the first comment down below. You sign up with your email, and you're ready to cook. Okay. Now, what I'm seeing on the Bitcoin chart, what I am currently playing, I'm in a little scalp long right here on BTC, and I'll show you why, because we'll go smaller time frame. I'm looking to scalp long this as well. But overall, I'm short on the market. Now, looking at the BTC chart, I am not convinced this flat was the actual move and we're done, right? If we just sneak on over to the daily time frame, you will see that this candle, it's just a, what they would call a doji candle that we put in. Big wicks on both ends of the candle. and we really just came back and recovered this part of the wick, right? Smack this part of the wick. I think we got to come down and at least take this part of the wick, right? At least give us a move like that, and then we can push up. And I'll show you, if this is the case, where my targets are for this push up in this video. But I have a sneaky suspicion that we are going to come down and bust through this low again. We've recovered this wick, and we're going to push down and come into these targets. I'm going to show you what the wave structure looks like, how that is going to play out. Okay? I'm going to make it make sense to you guys. Now, bear with me. Things do look very bullish. There's no doubt about it. And I would not be surprised if this high is broken. But that's just not what I'm playing. It's just not what I'm playing. So, to know where we're going, we got to know where we came from, right? And the best I can tell is that we have a 1-2 in the middle of our 3-4 into 5 for an Elliott wave impulsive structure. Not even close to being finished yet. Not even close to being finished, right? A lot of work to do to the upside. But things don't go straight up or go straight down. We know this. So after our initial 1-2, I'm going to disregard this because that's going to end way up in here. We have our second 1-2, right? And I'm marking this as some kind of a weird flat. I'm just going to map this in real quick, right? Where we have a 1 into a correction, impulse down. It maps out very nicely for a flat. It can be a flat right there to the 786, right? We'll take that. We'll take that. There's different variations that I could draw on here, but all of them just say that this is just a second 1-2, right? Of our impulsive wave. Now, that would mean we're in some kind of a wave 3. Obviously, this is an extremely impulsive wave. Clear to say this is a wave 3. But due to the rule of alteration, with this being such a shallow correction and a flat correction nonetheless, it's very rare that you would see another shallow flat correction of our 3 wave for our wave 4, right? So what I'm expecting to occur is to keep the alteration. I would expect a deeper correction and not a flat, so more of a WXY. And what that would mean is, you know, we have a double correction on our hands where we have a correction down. That's our A leg. We have a flat correction here. Correction up, correction down, flat. That's our B leg. W leg. That's our X leg. And now I would expect another kind of hit like this correctively to the downside for our Y leg. You know, it's tough to say how it's going to come down because it can come down impulsively as well. Technically, our initial leg down was right here, and we have extended over that on our X leg. So, you know, it can be an ABC flat correction. This can come down quite impulsively. Nonetheless, I'm looking for a deeper correction, essentially looking something like this, guys. As simple as I could draw it, something like this. Down into these fair value gaps, I'm looking at like the 618 retracement of our wave 3. Down to, 80K, 83K. I know a lot of people were eyeing these targets. I don't know if they are anymore. I don't know what the general sentiment is. But, you know, you can pull fibs on this move. The 1618 is just a quick and swift break of the low that we put in. But then you had these lower fib targets that I am really eyeing up. The 2618 comes in at about 76K. Boy, that would be nice. That would be nice. That's what I'm looking for, a fucking dump. And then we go up for wave 5, guys. Then we go up for wave 5. We keep pushing onwards, right? You know, this wave 5 can for sure get extended. But, you know, that's the general shape. Let me get rid of these fibs for you. That's the general shape. And then, you know, we can correct here and put in another wave 4 into a wave 5. Just drawing it very simple, very simple. So we have 1, 2, all this is 3 into a 4 into a 5, and we'll see, you know, as these waves progress, we'll see how high we can go. But that's going to be our finishing leg, our finishing wave. That's the general shape, the overall shape. And, you know, we're going to go smaller time frame on this, right, you know, in a second, guys. So bear with me. I'm just giving you the overall map, the overall structure. You know, this channel attempts to be more proactive rather than reactive. Most people will see a dump and then they will report on that dump like, no shit, Sherlock, no one gives a shit. What do I need, news that we just dumped? No, tell me that we're gonna dump before we dump, right? That's what this channel aims to do. We try our best, you know, to give you where price is going before it actually happens, right? Subscribe to this channel if you're not already, to stay on top of things and to get a different view of the markets than you're probably used to with most of the other retail YouTube channels out there. This channel tends to be contrarian, and that's why we succeed at trading. Now, before we go smaller time frame, guys, pin in the first comment down below if you want access to the premium Discord channels. I have all of my trades here. Scalp alerts, I just posted this BTC long that I'm in. Swing alerts, I did post the ETH swing short that I'm in. Live streams are all here. I mean, 24/7 live Elliott wave charts. My indicators are all included. Just click upgrade here once you're in the free Discord. Use code heating up for $20 off your first month. I'm extending this one out. The Black Friday sale is done. This code is getting extended out to 12/10. You will have 4 more days to cash in on this code. $20 off of your first month with code heating up. Just click upgrade here in the free Discord, or also pin in the first comment as well is the direct link. You just click WAP and that's the storefront, so it'll link directly with your Discord there. Same link is right here, right? Okay, now smaller time frame on BTC. Smaller time frame on BTC. Here's the general structure again that I'm looking to play out. And as we scope in on this, what I'm seeing here, you know, if this is an impulsive leg of our flat correction, it should be done right there. There's no reason for it not to be done, guys. This high needs to hold. This high needs to be finished and done with. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. If that high is taken out again, we ain't gonna like it, right? We ain't gonna like it. Hasn't really touched any fib targets that I like, but you know, that's it. This high cannot get broken for me. So, with that being said, I think retraces do, and that's quite literally what I am long for right now. I'm long, just scalp long on BTC. I want to just come up a little bit here. I like this structure to be a WXY. Let's come up in here, right? Maybe even right here where this fair value is 101. Can we come up to 101? You know, my TPs on this trade are way down here. I'm not even messing around with that at like 100. I wouldn't be surprised if it's shallow. If it breaks through 100, I'm saying we're going up to 101. If we get up to 100,000, 300 or so, I say we're going straight up to 101, and that's where you're going to see rejection. So these are a couple spots, and you know, I'm just going to pull a trend-based fib extension and show you, you know, 100s at the 1-to-1. If we go past the 1-to-1 there, I'm looking at 101, getting tagged 101. Is there a fib extension up there? It's the 2. It's the 2. So those are the 2 points I will be looking to flip short on BTC at 100K and 101K. I'm going to tempt both of these spots. If you want to get alerted when I'm throwing these trades in, what my stop losses are, how I'm servicing these trades, you got to be in the premium Discord, guys. I'm a trader. This is what I do. Non-stop daily alerts because I'm non-stop trading. That's all I got for you today. I'll see you in the next video, whenever that is. Maybe, I don't know, church tomorrow, so probably Monday. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Like the damn video. I love you. Trade safe. Peace.